Hello and welcome all in this video tutorial. Today our topic for discussion is the reptilia general characters. So these reptilia are reptilian organisms are terrestrial, creeping organisms and burrowing organisms. These are mostly carnivorous organisms, air breathing, cold blooded, oviparous and tetrapodal vertebrates. The organisms are basically terrestrial. They perform the creeping movement. Some live in the burrows, burrowing organisms, mostly carnivorous, and the breathing takes place in the air with the help of the lungs, air breathing. The organisms are cold blooded, that is, they cannot maintain their body temperature according to the changing environmental temperature, so called as cold blooded. These are oviparous, lays eggs and having two pairs of legs, that is tetrapodal. Body can be bilaterally symmetrical and divisible into four regions: head, neck, trunk and tail. Body divisible into four regions: head, neck, trunk and tail. That is, there is having two pairs of limbs, and these limbs are pentadactyl, having 5 digits. The digits provided with horny claws. Whenever digit is present, that can be provided with horny claws. But in some cases, limbs are absent in all snakes and few lizards. Body covered by exoskeleton, which is made by horny epidermal scales, shields, plates and scutes. Scutes is also like the scales or the plates. Body having the covering of scales, shields, plates and scutes. Skin is dry because there is no any type of glands present beneath the skin, so there is no secretion of any gland, so the skin become dry. Mouth terminal, that is, mouth is present at a terminal side, anterior side of the body. Jaws having simple conical teeth. In case of turtles, teeth replaced by horny beaks. Alimentary canal terminates into cloacal aperture. Cloacal aperture is present in case of alimentary canal. Some remaining characters like endoskeleton is bony. The skeleton which is found beneath the body is made by hard bones. Skull with one occipital condyle, that is, skull is monocondylic, that is, this particular region by which the head is attached to the trunk region. This occipital condyle is a particular knob-like structure by which the head is articulate, or the skull particularly articulate with the vertebral column. A characteristic T-shaped interclavicle is present. In between the two clavicle, T-shaped interclavicle present in the reptilia, and this interclavicle is like that where is found at the sternum position of the higher vertebrates. Heart usually three-chambered. Heart is three-chambered, but in case of crocodiles, heart having 4 chambers. Sinus venosus is reduced form. Two systemic arches are present, that is, right and left systemic arches are present. Red blood corpuscles are oval but nucleated. In case of mammals, these red blood corpuscles do not having RBCs, do not having nucleus, but in reptilia the RBCs having nucleus. Respiration by lungs. Kidney metanephric, that is well developed kidney is found in reptilia. Excretion uricotelic. This organism excrete uric acid as a excretory material, that is uricotelic. Brain with better developed cerebrum. Brain having better developed cerebrum. The cerebrum is useful for the muscular coordination. Cranial nerves having 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Jacobson's organs presence in the roof of mouth, which is a sensory organ which is found in the roof of the mouth, and which can be, with the help of this organ, the organism can detect the chemical changes and also useful for the communication. Then some remaining characters like sexes are separate, male, female are separately found. Male usually with muscular copulatory organ. Fertilization takes place into the body, that is internal fertilization. Large yolky meroblastic eggs are produced. These meroblastic eggs, in which incomplete cleavage is found. These eggs are covered with leathery shells. Eggs are always laid on land, and some extraembryonic membranes like amnion, chorion, yolk sac, and allantois are found during the development of the embryo. And lastly, young resembles adult. Young looks like the adults. So thank you very much for watching this video.